Cheers to our new apartment. Hi guys, so for today's vlog, I wanted to try something a little different. I wanted to go apartment hunting. So I'm with my friend Gabby, and we're both gonna go apartment hunting in the Seattle area. I'm not actually looking for an apartment. I'm very happy with where I live. It's just really fun to do. So we're gonna just kind of have this fake little story how we're trying to move in maybe the next couple months. Let's say mid-February. We'll go mid-February. We're trying to move in like mid-February. We want to be roommates in a 2-bedroom, and our budget is $4,400 a month because we want to look at the nicest apartments. That's what we want to show you. Don't think of this video as like super helpful for you if you're trying to move to Seattle and this isn't your budget. It's more just like, we're gonna have fun, look at these apartments. I'm kind of sorry leasing people for wasting your time, but also I'm giving you free promotion. So let's go. Also, Gabby has a YouTube channel, so I'll have a link below if you want to check it out. Helios. We're just waiting to tour apartments. For 2 bedrooms, they start at $3,000 and go up to $4,000. So we're gonna ask to see both, just to see what like the $1,000 price difference gets you. I'm guessing just like higher up floor, nicer views, a little more square footage. Really nice. Dude, their amenities look super nice. All right, so this is a 2-bedroom corner unit. All of their 2 bedrooms are corner units, so that's really cool. And this view is obviously incredible. It has the Space Needle and all of downtown. It even has a little bit of the water. You really get everything with this view. This living room is amazing. I love it. This is like my dream living room. Floor to ceiling windows, amazing. Kitchen's kind of small. That's not a big deal to me though. I just don't like how the brown wood doesn't match the wood flooring. I thought that was kind of weird. In general, I just didn't really like the flooring. I kind of thought the countertops looked a little cheap too. So the living room's amazing, kitchen's all right, but these bedrooms are just so small. I couldn't believe it. Bathroom's okay. So that was 1 bedroom. I think this is supposed to be like the master bedroom. Still so small. Very disappointed in that. View's still pretty cool, but the window is so much smaller. Like, they could have made that a floor-to-ceiling window too. There is a little closet. I would expect a bigger walk-in closet for a place like this. You see the organization? Yes, I do like that. That is cool. It is cool it has a built-in though. Bathroom's all right. It's kind of small too. Has a nice shower. I like the finishes in the bathroom. Got some storage, that's good. I like the lighting in the bathroom. Love, love, love the living room. They had a bunch of amenities like clubhouse, lounges, a theater room, a dog park area, and this rooftop. So the rooftop is really, really cool. Couldn't believe how cool that was. Beautiful. Overall, I don't really know what I think of this apartment. I mean, it's right downtown on 2nd Avenue, so that's a great location. Oh, Robert, I just feel so bad for wasting your time. I feel really bad.
He was really, yeah.
He was really nice. If you guys ever go to Helios, have Robert tour you. Super nice. Helios was cool. Loved the amenities. That rooftop made me want to just cry. Like, it was so cool. I could get the easiest establishment shots. But the bedrooms were way too small.
The bedrooms are tiny.
Way too
like
small.
Your queen bed would take up the whole space.
I wouldn't move into there if I were seriously looking, but I thought it was cool, but the bedrooms were too small. But that living room, loved it.
I really like those open living rooms with the pillars in it. I don't know.
Yes, me too. I love that pillar. Yeah,
I really like
floor to ceiling windows.
Yeah,
that's beautiful. Like my dream living room. I want to live in a living room like that one day, so I did like that. This place has happy hour right now, 50% off if you buy a drink. You don't have to tell me twice. Cheers to our new apartment. Just kidding. Yum, chips and guac.
Waking up so late, half the day is gone, I don't feel so well. Hacking up along, I know I should stop now, but I'm too far gone.
Oh my gosh. Guys, this is my favorite store of all of Seattle. This plant shop. This is a cool one. These are cool too. When I like something, my obsession gets. Oh, this one is beautiful. I love this one.
Cute.
Yeah, I love how big it like billows out.
Yeah.
This place is cool because they have ones that are grown pretty well, and you can see like the price right here. It's $21 for it. I got this beauty. Oh my gosh, you guys. It was only like $29, $21, I think. It's huge. It's beautiful. I cannot believe it.
Model.
This is going to be an office plant. I'm very excited. Does she fit? Oh, she does. I love that. I can't believe, like, I love that. I'm house sitting for one more night, but I just stopped at home really quick because I was like, it's on the way, and honestly, I kind of need to water my plants. And I want to see this little guy. Hey, cute kitty. So the plant that I got today, as a comparison to tell you how good of a freaking deal it was, I already have one of those plants. It's this little guy right here. This little guy also cost $20. This little one, little tiny one. I got that huge one, $21 I think. It's huge for $21. Honestly, I think it was marked wrong because it had a price on it that said $39. Even for $39, I think that's a fair price for like how big it was compared to this. The plant shop in Seattle is like so good, I can't believe it. Also, really quick, I want to show you guys my last Christmas gift came today. So Ben got me one last thing. It came in the mail after Christmas though, but it's super cool, so I want to show you. He got me these shadow box, jewelry box type of things. This one right here, which is like a rectangular, fairly small, perfect for like jewelry, earrings, necklaces, and I don't have a place for those, and I really need a place for them so I don't lose them so much. I love the gold and the glass, it's so pretty. And then I also really like how inside it has a little fabric to it, like a kind of tan taupe type fabric. Really nice looking. Like, I like this so much. Even better, he got me this big square one, and it actually has my initials on it. It's a bit dark out, so you might not be able to see it as well, but it has my initials on it, and he told me that this could be really good for like memorabilia and things when I go on trips, since I, you know, travel like fairly often, or I did last year. So that's really cool too. I love these so much. Thank you, Ben, if you're watching. I love them. So here is how they look. Not sure what to put in this one yet. You can see the initials a bit better in the light right here, but super cool. Love it so much. Like, wow, like what a cool gift. Just got some jewelry in these ones. Last plant water. Oh, hello, sweet girl. Hello. Oh. Come here. All right, guys. Tonight is my last night house sitting Barkley. Little does she know her mom's coming home tomorrow. Oh, I bet she'll be so excited, I'm sure. She is such a sweet dog. I addressed this already, but I'm still getting comments on what she is. She's a Coal Terrier, so retriever and border collie mix. But she's brown, which I don't really get, but she's beautiful. She's got a lot of energy, so anyone interested in a Coal Terrier, they are the cutest, sweetest dog. She loves being hugged. She loves being pet. She likes cuddling a little bit. Okay, the apartment hunt did not go as planned today. We were gonna go to like 3 or 4 places, but the first place, super easy, breeze getting in there. The other places were really busy. I mean, we didn't make any appointments, so it makes sense. But usually when you tour apartments, you kind of just walk in and hope for the best. Usually that works out, but the places were kind of busy and we were getting hungry, so we went and got food. It got late and dark out, so we only saw one place. But if you guys want me to tour other places, let you guys see other neighborhoods of Seattle, other price ranges of places in Seattle, you know, not just places that are $4,000 a month, let me know in the comments. And in general, just let me know other things you guys want to see from me. I would love to fulfill those requests. My millennial life crisis. Crew neck. So yes, these are for sale. I'll have them linked below. People are also asking what size, so I'm wearing a size small right now. And this is how it looks. I typically wear small in things. I'm pretty short. So if you typically wear small, small is gonna fit fine. But if you're gonna get like a crew neck and you typically like your crew necks like oversized, you might wanna size that. So then it's the oversized look. Barkley's like, can we go upstairs now? Can we please go upstairs? Can we please? Do you guys wanna go to bed? Should we go to bed?
Been trying